Welcome to this demonstration on how to set up drill-down charts on your results page in Brilliant Assessments. Drill-downs are great for keeping your results page minimal, while also offering respondents the option to get down to the details on their terms. Let's show you how it's done. Here's a simple results page we've prepared with a tile displaying a vertical bar chart. This chart shows the scores achieved for each section of the assessment. Let's turn this into a drill down chart so that clicking on any section bar will reveal more detailed information. First, we need to add a new container. Set this container to on demand so it only loads when triggered. For clarity, I'll name this container section drill down, then click save. Next, let's add tiles to display more detail for each section when clicked. In this example, I'll add 2 tiles, one with rating text feedback, another showing a breakdown of subsection scores. Click the pencil icon to edit the tile and select Rating Text by Section. For the Select Section option, choose At Section, not a specific section. This ensures the feedback shown will match the section clicked in the main chart. Click Save. Now, let's add the subsection breakdown using gauge or donut charts. Select the gauge chart type. Choose to show subsections. Under Sections, choose At Section, then select All Subsections. This links the subsection donut charts to the selected section from the main chart. Next, we need to configure the drill down action on our original bar chart. Edit the existing chart tile. Open the merge string and highlight the full existing merge content. Navigate to Options. Enable drill down and select the container we created earlier, Section Drill Down. Click Save. Now your bar chart is clickable. Let's test it out by clicking Save and View. When I click on a section of the bar chart, it dynamically loads. Clicking Best Practices for Sharing Expertise displays its associated rating text and the corresponding subsection charts. And that's how you set up an interactive drill down chart in Brilliant Assessments.